Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT, and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps on this watch. First we need to grab our watch and flip it around. And if you want to change the straps on your watch, you will first need to remove the old ones. And to do it, you need to find the levers on each of the strap. Basically you have a lever right here and lever right here, and basically to remove the strap you need to pull on it towards the middle of the strap, and once you pull on it you will be able to pull out the strap like this. And we can do this for the other side as well. So pull on the lever and release the strap. And here we have our straps and our watch, and this mechanism is quite simple. Basically you have pin on each side of the strap, and those pins are usually locked in the holes on the watch. We have hole on each side basically, and when you pull on the lever right here, it kind of retracts the pin. I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but it will retract the pin inside and allows you to pull out the strap from the watch. Quite simple, but also one of the best systems, to be honest, because it's simple and it works. Okay, and here we have our straps, our watch, and let's say you have new straps and you want to put them on. You grab the strap, you take the side opposite of the lever one, you insert it into a hole on the watch, come on, like this, then you pull on the lever to retract the other pin and align it with the hole and release it. Sometimes you need to wiggle it around, and here it locked in. And then the other side the same. So you take the side opposite from the lever, you insert it in a hole on the watch, and then you pull on the lever to retract the other pin like this, align it with other hole and release it, and it will click in, and once it does it will hold, and we have the straps on now. And basically that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.